Looking ahead, for the next 5 years, there is going to be 7 or 8 very important focus areas for us. We'll of course continue to be bolder. We'll get bolder. We'll get better. We of course want to do better quality work. We want to be hungrier. So it's not that we're going to slow down. There are 7 or 8 key areas where we actually want to invest a lot in the next 5 years. Personally, for me, the first is further strengthening our brand. I do think that the job is not even half done. A lot of people now sort of understand the kind of brand that we've created and the quality of work we do, but especially in our newer practices, frontier practices, across the variety of clients, there is still a lot to be done, and also on the hiring and the employer side. The second is, we will of course continue to grow and invest in the domestic businesses that we've created, both PG Labs and Praxis. On Praxis side, our intent will be to get deeper into our core practices, which is FIG, financial services, TI, healthcare, but also to grow further, our frontier practices, which is pharma, industrials, automotive, consumer retail, logistics, infrastructure, all of them. We'll continue to strengthen our leadership team and, hire more partners. And on PG Labs, our intent will be to build our product portfolio, expand and work more across practices beyond FIG TI, and also sort of continue to grow our delivery pool. The third very important area of investment for us will be international. I do see us opening at least 2 offices globally, if not more than that, in the next 3 years, not 5 actually. One of Middle East, Southeast Asia, North America, or sort of UK or Europe. There will at least be 2 offices out of these. Or it could be ANZ as well. So that's 3. The fourth will be, of course, we're a people business. It's important to build our leadership team. We will continue to hire very aggressively at the senior level. Our intent is also to invest behind leaders in the newer practices, and we will need that, of course, across geographies. The fifth very important area of focus for us would be institution building. I think as an organization, one thing that has really helped us be, and we have been, by the way, the fastest growing consulting firm in India, has been our focus on institution building. We've not done things, thinking of us like a small business. We've always thought of us of being at least 100 times the scale we are right now, and putting in place processes and systems that will be able to work at that, from our knowledge management, from our marketing, from our practice management, finance policies, people policies. We go to like 20 plus campuses a year. We will continue to aggressively further strengthen, our institution, our policies. We might also do some senior hires, especially on the CEO side and the ops side, to be able to build that out. So that's also going to be one important focus area. Then I think our focus on people will continue to be paramount. We hire so many from so many lateral institutions. We go to so many campuses. But I would personally ensure that we invest a lot in building and strengthening our talent value proposition, in hiring better people, going to better colleges, attracting better talent from lateral as well as campus institutions. And we will put in a lot of energy and zeal behind that. Then we will also want to spend a lot of time in driving our quality and outcomes. Generally, all of us, you've seen the entire leadership team, we are very glass half empty folks, although our clients do believe and love our quality, but we do feel that we continuously need to innovate and also become more agile, but also deliver outcomes faster and better, right, to clients. And that involves use of technology, that involves use of institutionalizing quality processes. It's about structuring output. It's about the manufacturing process. It's about using and collating IP. We will continue, and also just driving client experience, right, at on client side and presentations, etc. So that's going to be another pretty important focus for us. And finally, it's about creating a more sustainable, happy and inclusive ecosystem. You've seen our he/she ratio, you've seen our diversity, etc. We've been a very, very future workforce, and we will continue, to be that way. So, thank you all of you. I hope it gives you a vision and peek into the future of what beholds. Rest assured, we are going to be better, hungrier, and bolder in future, and it's going to be more and more exciting times ahead. Thank you, and have a good evening, all of you.